It's been a long winter, guys, but I'm back in the palace. So, got the Microgreens Palace here. You can see I left it maybe a little bit dirty. Winter came on pretty quick. I meant to get out here and vacuum off all these shelves, but I didn't get to it in time. So, I'm gonna clean this up. Get all these seeds and stuff vacuumed off. Get the vacuum here. Get it all looking nice again. It's one of the great things about that I painted everything is that it cleans up really easy. I can just vacuum it. And I like to have a nice clean start. So let me get this all vacuumed. Then I'll plant some microgreens. Alright, got it all vacuumed out. It's nowhere near perfect, but I think it looks pretty good. And I just realized the other day when I made a video about the vinyl roof that I say pretty good way too much. So I gotta figure out some new terminology for saying things look alright or they look nice. But so it's not perfect. You know, I could wipe it down and get it better. There's still some stuff stuck, but it's definitely gonna be good enough. So one thing I was just thinking about as I was cleaning this up is that there's some of you that probably don't really know what this is because you're a new subscriber. You know, I gained a lot of subscribers over the winter, so some of you are probably not familiar with this, but this is what I call the Microgreens Palace. So what it is a gazebo. It was a really inexpensive gazebo greenhouse, and not this past winter, but the winter before, I left it up too long and it collapsed. And after it collapsed, I had an idea that I would turn it into this. And I originally started with just regular plastic, like greenhouse plastic, but it wasn't greenhouse plastic and it didn't work very well. It lasted for a little while before it all tore up. And then I went and spent a bunch of money and covered it all in polycarbonate. And that's the state you see it in now. And actually, it's not a bad looking lawn ornament. So if you're interested, I have a whole playlist on how this whole thing came to be. And I'll post a link to that at the end of this video. And if you want to check it out, feel free to watch those videos on how the Microgreens Palace got its start. But I think that's going to be it for this. You know, I didn't really do a lot. A little bit of vacuuming. And I've got some stuff to do. I've got to cook dinner. I've got to get some microgreens planted. I've got to tear down the whole indoor grow room, which I probably won't get. Most of that won't get done tonight, but there's your introduction to the Microgreens Palace if you've never seen it before.